Let's take a look at this problem. We got 7x squared is equal to 32, and we'll use square root property again. Well, for the square root property to work, you have to have the entire side squared. 7 isn't squared, so we need to get rid of that 7. So we're going to divide both sides by 7. Do that, those 7's going to cancel. And we got x squared is equal to 32 over 7. Okay, square root property says if you got something squared equal to something else, you drop your squared, and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. And we got a problem here. We can't have a fraction inside of a radical, but we got a property that says if you got a fraction inside of a radical, you can split it up. You can put a square root around the top and square root around the bottom. Well, the top part I can simplify a little bit. 32. 32 is 5 2's, but let's show it. 2 times 16. 2's prime, so we circle it. 16 is 2 times 8. 2's prime, so we circle it. 8 is 2 times 4. 2's prime, so we circle it. And 4 is 2 times 2. So 5 2's. So the top part becomes 5 2's. And the bottom part is just, well, it's prime, so we leave it alone for a time being. Okay, remember the square root, we're looking for pairs of something. Here's a pair of 2's, they're going to come out in front as a single 2. And here's another pair of 2's, they'll also come out in front as a single 2. Now when they come out in front, they come out with multiplication between them. So we'll have plus or minus 2 times 2, square root, and we're left with 1 2 inside, over square root of 7. Which gives us plus or minus 4 square root of 2 over square root of 7. Okay, we got rid of the fraction inside of the radical, but we've got another issue. We can't have a radical in the denominator. Since these are square roots, how we get rid of that is we're going to multiply the bottom by square root of 7. You just multiply it times whatever square root you have here. Now, whatever you multiply by the bottom, you have to multiply by the top. So we'll have plus or minus 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 7 gives us square root of 2 times 7. Since they have the same index, you can multiply them together and put them underneath a single square root. And square root of 7 times square root of 7 gives you 7. So we get plus or minus 4 square root of 2 times 7 is 14 over 7. And that's our answer.